to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and I just want to say hello to all our new YT family members, and I am so looking forward to meeting you guys. I know that I am so backed up with answering you guys' comments, but don't worry, I am going to get it. And if you need an immediate question answered, then email me at designonadollarbudget@gmail.com. So today is going to be another UpCycle video. And you know, I told you guys in the last UpCycle that I really don't like doing it because I'm not for sure if you guys can get the supplies. Well, most of the supplies I know you guys can get. The main supply, you may have to hunt around thrift stores, yard sales, different things like that to find something like this, similar to it. I am going to get into the supplies you need for this project, and I will see you guys really soon. Share our videos with your friends and family members so that our YT family member can grow. Waiting for us to hit that 50,000 mark so that we can have our big giveaway. So again, hello all our new YT family members. Hello to my ride or dies, and I love all of you. So let's get into this video. So what you need for this DIY is a drill with a titanium drill bit. You're going to need 3 small Dollar Tree fish bowls, and you'll need 1 of the large ones. You're going to need some crystals, and once again, these came from the Wish app, but you can get them on Amazon, eBay, different places. And I think somebody said Hobby Lobby or Michael's or one of them carried these as well now. If you want to, you're going to need some type of pendants to put on the bottom of your crystals, and I have these. They are acrylic clear ice rocks diamond, 60 pieces, and I got these from Amazon. You're going to need your E6000, your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, some safety glasses, and some form of vessel like this. Now I found this vessel at the Salvation Army, and I paid $2.99 for it, and it's metal, and it has these 3 hands on it that you can move around in different positions. That's what attracted me to it. And it has this one big vessel piece at the top. So, oh, and you're going to need some spray paint. I forgot to bring it up here. I'm going to use black, and I love this piece because it has an antique feel. It's heavy, it's sturdy. So let's get into this DIY. And you may want to have some form of marker or something to mark where you're going to place your holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around each one of these little arms or hands, and I'm just going to mark a dot where I want to drill my hole. Okay, and you will do this to all of the arms that you have on your piece. Okay, and so the next thing you would do is you would take your drill bit, and this is a Cobalt 7/64 bit, and it came 2 in a pack, and I got it from Lowe's. If your metal is thicker than what I have, you're probably going to want some WD-40 on hand, just in case the bit starts smoking from drilling through the metal. So then you're going to find that hole and kind of hold it tight and start drilling. Okay guys, and so you can see it is going through each one of them. I'm going to finish these holes on all of them, and then I will be back. The next step, guys, is to take it outside in a well ventilated area and give it possibly 1 to 2 coats of the color of your choice, which I am going with black. Now that the paint is dry, I wanted to make sure that it was something down up under the bowls that you can see other than the black. So I took some of the German glass glitter and I placed it right in the area that the voids. I put it in the void area. Okay fam, so I realized that the best thing that I should be doing right now is to be putting the crystals on, because once the glasses go on, it may be hard to put the hooks through the holes on the arms. So what I did was I measured down. I measured from the circle piece and I measured down, set it like this, and then I measured down. And so I had 1, 2, and then the little dangle thing. This is what it would look like right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this into a position where I can do it and you guys can see it. Alright, so here we go. This is another thing like the light fixture I made. I wanted to show you guys a completed one, and I'm trying to figure out this one right here sits right behind here, so when you put it down it throws the other ones out of alignment. So I'm thinking about just taking that one off, but it takes 18. I'm going to determine the height for this one, so I think I want them to stop probably right there. Alright guys, so when I come back, well, let's go ahead and put one of the bows on as well. So when I come back, you'll see the finished product. Okay, and then see guys, when you look down in it, you have that shimmery effect. So I'm going to go ahead, put the rest of the crystals on the arms, put the rest of the crystals on the main piece, and go ahead and I'll show you guys how to glue this one down on camera. We have all of our crystals on, and the only thing left to do is attach the top bowl or I think it came out really nice. I think it's a very classy an elegant piece. It's a heavy piece because it is pure cast iron. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.